Today's widget is Drawer. It is a material design panel that slides in horizontal from the edge of a scaffold to show navigation links and other information related to user. When we put a drawer inside a scaffold, the app bar automatically displays an appropriate icon button to show the drawer. To create this drawer, I'm only using the widgets that we have already seen in our previous videos. As you can see, in scaffold we have a property called drawer. It takes a child. In that we are creating a list view whose first child will be the user header, which we have seen in our #20th video. And then we have a list style as our other children. Using divider to separate these list styles. If you want your drawer on the next side of the app bar, you can use AND drawer like this. That's all about the drawer.